subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Possible with Prakhya. I'm Prakhya and in today's video I will be reviewing this book named Franklin in the Dark, written by Paulette Bogies. Paulette Bogies is a Canadian writer. She wrote many books. She wrote over 40 books. I love this book a lot. This is a very special book. It has sold over 20 million copies. This book is about a turtle who's afraid of small dark places. You know, right guys, the turtle shell is always small, dark and very congested. So this turtle is afraid to crawl into his shell. He goes to many animals asking for advice, but ends up knowing each animal has a fear of their own. These amazing pictures are illustrated by Brenda Clark. Brenda Clark is from Toronto, Canada. She also illustrated many books. And Paulette Bogies is famous for this book specially. There are also other series in this book. My favorite is Franklin Goes to School because it shows us how Franklin spends his day in his school. I strongly recommend this book for kids who like reading animal stories. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.